Good day everyone, Patrick Reyes TV, and today we are with the BYD Shark and we're gonna install a brand new dashcam. This one's my old dashcam right here, and I preferred a dual channel dashcam, and this is from 70mm 4K A800SE. So this is a set of the dashcam and we're gonna have it installed today. Okay, so before we have it installed, nandito tayo ngayon kay Arctic Sound. I think you have seen it. Unbox lang natin tong dashcam. So quite a nice packaging right here. So as soon as you open the box, you have here yung mga manuals natin. And also, you have the unit as well. So ito yung rear camera. And this is the main camera right here, which is the 4K camera. Ang ganda ng build quality niya guys, no? And as you can see, this one is the actual lens and pwede siyang matilt depending on the coverage you need. And also, as you can see, meron siyang ventilations dito for heat dissipation. Kahit bilad yan sa araw, hindi siya mag-overheat. So that's one neat manufacturing of this 70mm. And this one is your buttons for the dash cam, and you have Type-C ports right here, SD card, and this is the speaker. There it is. So let's have it installed. What else comes in the box? Dito naman you have the wiring, mga USB ports probably, and also I got it with a 64GB memory card, which I think is enough for pure coverage. The reason why this needs 64GB is because this one records in 4K. So pag sinabi natin 4K, definitely it will be very clear day and night. Alam mo naman, you don't want to spend on dashcams na medyo cheap, na masabi lang na may dashcam pero when you need it the most, hindi masyadong clear and hindi mo nakuha yung gusto mong makunan. So with the 70mm dashcam, wala kang problema kasi this is 4K guaranteed and you would have very clear image. And what's special about the 70mm dash, meron siyang kasamang OBD2 hardware kit. This one is an option, pero ang purpose nito is it connects to the onboard diagnostic systems of the car, and it also has the capability of a surveillance camera. Kahit wala ka sa sasakyan mo, it continuously records everything and nakaka-detect siya kapag merong nakabangga ng sasakyan mo or just an overall surveillance camera. You get protected even if wala ka dun sa mismong sasakyan mo. So dito natin i-place yung main camera niya, and binuksan na rin namin ni Kuya itong hardwire kit niya, which connects to the OBD. So with the SD card, lalagay lang natin siya dun sa side. That's it. Okay, since nakasaksak na yung OBD, we're gonna check this out. Remove the screen protector right here. Yeah. There we go. So we have the menu right here. English tayo. Set the dates. Mamaya natin set in date. Parking surveillance collision detection. Turn on. So this one has the parking collision detection. And then the app. So na-download ko na rin yung app, which I will show you.
Please format the memory card.
Format.
Please connect your app to adjust your time.
Okay. So there we go. I think ang bilis, no? Nagre-record na siya ngayon. So makikita nyo, this one is now fully functioning. Wala man, 2 minutes set up before for the first time it started up. So talagang plug and play siya, literally. Just plug it in the OBD port and it would run very seamlessly. So we have the two views right here. Yung malaking screen dito is the camera right in front, and on the upper left is the view on the back. Of course, this one, you could view this separately on the app. You could also download the video files when you need it and put it in your phone through the 70My app. But this one's actually recording already, and we're gonna have a test of what it looks like on the actual. Ngayon, habang may araw pa, we're gonna look on the quality of the front camera and the rear camera. Thank you, Ryan Arctic Sound, for the seamless installation of the 70My dashcam. Makikita nyo dito guys, very clean. Nakatago yung mga wires natin through the roof and going down to the OBD just behind the steering wheel. And for those also asking, pwede ba yung 70My dashcam on electric vehicles such as the BYD Nasagot na po, yes, this would definitely work. We are on a BYD Shark right now and wala akong naging issues with the automatic driving assist system. So let's go and check the quality of the recordings. We have here the actual footage of the A800SE 4K camera. We have zoomed in on some of the parts para lang makita natin kung ano yung pwedeng i-stretch nitong video na to, because sometimes we need the finer details, especially on some circumstances. Here on the right side, meron tayong Suzuki Ertiga and tinry natin siyang i-zoom in and makikita nyo clear pa rin yung plate number niya. And also on the rear, kita nyo malino pa rin. On the night part, well, of course, the A800SE features the day and night crystal clear video. Day or night, this one provides you to a very clear footage. Kung makikita dito, aside sa maliwanag siya sa gabi, it is also colored. Even on the back camera, makikita nyo, hindi siya gray or black and white lang. It's also colored, giving you finer details and, better footage in terms of usage. So honest feedback with the 70mm dashcam na dual channel, the A800SE, quality wise, it's just phenomenal in terms of price to quality ratio. With its price na dual channel and the features it has, such as the automatic driving or the advanced driving assist system, yung 24-hour surveillance niya na protection with the car, and also the OBD2 hardware kit. It's just a complete package. It ticks all the boxes: price, camera quality, build quality ng dashcam, and yung hit dissipation is in there. And of course, yung app usage is just very seamless as well. And of course, dun sa mga taong medyo takot, on voiding their warranty, especially sa mga brand new cars, dahil other dashcams does not have the hardwire kit and it could potentially void the warranty, yung electrical warranty ng mga sasakyan nila. The 70mm dashcam does not have that because you have a plug-in OBD connector. So it's just literally a plug and play wire. So wala kang kailangan itap na wire or wala kang kailangan i-splice na wire. And it would definitely not void your warranty. So if you were to ask me, it's the perfect time to buy now yung 70mm dashcam natin. It's under a huge discount and some freebies ngayon with the November 11 sale in Shopee and Lazada. The 11/11 promo is in there. The links are in the description box below, and you could order one for yourself, and you would definitely enjoy the features of the 70mm dashcam. So of course, with the 70mm dashcam A800SE model, you'll be driving safer, you'll be driving smarter, and of course, this dashcam will be your everyday companion on the road.